let's wrap up this full 받침 m, ng, n, l. When they are used as the 받침 section, they just sound as themselves. And circle, unlike I've been telling you the whole time that circle doesn't make any sound, when they're used in the 받침 section, they does make sound, which is sound. 눈치가 빠르신 분들은 눈치를 채셨을 텐데 I wrote this line for a reason. Let's practice. 가 and 받침 감 and 자 감자. 감자 means potatoes. And then because the circle doesn't make any sound, 치, and then square at the bottom, 침, 아침. 아침 means morning. 고, and circle 받침, 공주, 공주. 공주 means princess. 가, circle 받침, 강, and then and then 지, 강아지. 강아지 means dogs. And then 는 받침 on, and then 니, 언니. 언니 means older sister. But fun fact about Korean 언니, older sister, we don't use this only to our relatives or like your real family older sisters. If you're friends, but the girl is older than you, and you're a girl, then you call the other girl 언니. So let's say we're friends. I'm a girl, you're a girl. I'm older than you, you'll call me 언니. Say we're friends. I'm a girl, you're a girl. You're older than me, then I'll call you 언니. Next one, 바. 느 받침 반. 차. 느 받침 찬. 반찬. 반찬 means all the side dishes you will get for free when you go to 한국 restaurant. And then next one, 거, and then 우, 엘 받침. So 울, 거울. 거울 means mirror. And then 하, and then 르 받침 할머니, which means grandma. Slang 연습 밤, and then 티. 밤티 means something's ugly. 영크크 is young critter crew, but not only that, Gen Alpha or Gen Alpha. And 앵그리 뱅뱅 means you're super angry. And then 인싸 is from insider, opposite of outsider, so somebody who has a lot of 친구 and fun. 잼민이 is someone who always asks things to AI. MBChan, who believes MBTI so much like they believe God. And then 할렐야루 is basically like hallelujah. And 나일리지, someone who feels like I'm older than you, I'm entitled, so you have to listen to me. Those kind of people. And we briefly talked about 느크크, which is opposite of 영크크. Next 받침, I will call them G family